In order to add a user, let's say you have a housekeeper or somebody coming by to watch your house, you need to know your master user code. The default master user code is 1234. 01 is your installer code. 02 is your master user code. So 03 through 36 are the usable codes to add other people. So in this case, we're going to create a 03. We're going to make that our housekeeper, let's say, for instance. So in order to do this, we need our master code first. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 8 for code, 03, and we're going to make 9876. That's going to beep one time, and that is how you enter a new code. Make sure you write this down so you'll know users 3 is the housekeeper, the neighbor, and then when you need to delete them later, you can remove them from the system.